In the quiet of this hour, as I kneel before you now, I believed your promise to be faithful. I don't always understand what your perfect will demands, but I've learned to trust you more in your presence, Lord, in your presence there is comfort. In your presence there is peace. When we seek to know your heart, we will find such blessed assurance in your holy presence, Lord. There can be such sweet reward when we wait upon the Lord. As we take the time He gave His perfect wisdom to be found in Him alone. All our deepest secret known, we're surrounded by His grace when we seek His face in your